Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. This one is a little bit exciting because I need to tackle my fridge. It's been a while guys since I've done that, so I need to organize, pack, wash everything in my fridge. So we're gonna do this together guys, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and I hope it's gonna give you tons and tons of cleaning motivation. I need to start off by clearing my kitchen. I'm gonna be wiping down my countertops, then clean my stove, and then move over to my dishes. I've got a few dishes in my sink that needs a little bit of cleaning as well, but we're gonna do this together guys. Let's get started. So starting off guys, I'm gonna clean my stove. I had to make my porridge in the morning and I was in a rush, so that's why I left it like this. So once I'm done, I'm gonna move over. I'm gonna be moving over to my dishes. This area needs to be cleaned before I start unpacking all my fruits in the fridge and organizing everything. So I'm gonna get into this right now, so let's get started.
Enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself. Can't forgive myself. wasn't dreaming. I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh baby, how you in the ceiling? I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning down for you. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning down for you. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. If you ever feel alone, cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What
So there you have it, guys. This is the end of my cleaning and organizing video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe, guys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking around. Till next time, bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for